very thoroughly. Right? Very well. Why? Because ito yung ginagamit niya eh. This is his weapons, his tools to influence people to join him inside Relay. Good or not good? Good. Next, Catherine Su will be explaining about the platform. You know this Pegasus? Do you know this person?
Yeah.
You see him here often? Right? Even her mom was one of the speakers during the leaders recognition night. Am I right? She is one of the youngest Team Elite Pegasus here. If not the youngest Team Elite Pegasus here in Relay Philippines. She will be explaining about the platform. Just imagine. Next is who? Our Team Supreme Pegasus 1, Miss Ellen Sison. Will be sharing about the product. I think most of you know her. Am I right? Yes. I can say she is she is the best person to explain the product. Because her journey inside here, Relay, I tell you, started about the product and how she maximized this product to spread the good news, to spread the opportunity here in Metro Manila and become Team Supreme Pegasus 1. Okay? Next is who? Wag muna ito, main event. Next is who? Maindihan Dumon. Team Elite Pegasus. What? Potential. She is also from Cagayan de Oro. She, hit Team Elite rank, even Team Supreme that time, with no office in Cagayan de Oro. I think most of you know her. Why? Because she is a leader who what? A leader who is still walking with a colonoscopy bag. Yes. Up until now. A very good story. Very, very touching story. And next is what? Procedure from who? Roland Chevitin. Our Team Elite Pegasus in Davao. Okay? So, imagine these leaders, will be the one explaining to your invite, to your client, will be selling Relay as the opportunity. And of course, the one who will be the one who will be sharing people as the topic is who? Our regional director, Jackie Lim. Can we give Jackie a big round of applause? So, this 6 piece, I tell you, if we go into this, if we go together with our invites, with our clients, inside this event, I tell you, the closing rate is very high. Just imagine, these people will be working together to influence your invite. Good or not good? Good. Good, right? Good. So, maybe I can give you a little bit example. How can we use them? How can we borrow strength from them in influencing our client or our people? Am I right? How do we invite? How do we invite? Hey, brother, come with me. We will go to LTS. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Like this? Maybe I give you an example. What is this? Hand, palm, fingers, nails. Am I right? Yes. But if we know how to sell or give value to the things that we see, this is different already. Am I right? Yes. If you take a look, yes, this is a hand. But you can share it this way. If you ask me, what is this? Do you know this is the most powerful tool? This is a mind control device. Really, Nathan? Yes. Your hands is a mind control device. The fingers you have is a mind control device. How? If you want to make a person happy, you do this. Then what? Oh, the person that you made like this to, feel happy already. Right? If you want to make a person go to jail, you use this, right? Then, the policeman will get the person. Am I right? If you want to insult or to offend a person, you use what? You know already, I don't have to show to you, right? Because very powerful eh. You might, baka pagbaba ko dito, sampalin niyo ako. And then what? If you want to commit to a person, your whole eternity, your whole life too, you use this. Right? You put what here? The ring. Your commitment. And this is the most powerful one. Without this finger, you cannot breathe. Right? So just imagine these hands, these fingers. If we know how to give value, we can already see how can we put value, and yung leaders natin, your clients natin can feel this value already. Am I right? So, we were talking, okay? We are talking about the leadership training seminar. We are talking about, of course, James, Jackie would always talk to us, how to improve, how to make things better, how can we learn from the previous events that we have. And he talked about one thing also, the tickets. You know, the ticket of alam niyo po may ticket. In the first place, you know that there will be tickets in this LTS.
Yes.
Okay, do you have ticket already?
Not yet.
Wala pa? I think the ticket is almost finished eh.
Huh?
Yes. But, never mind about this one, okay? First is, maybe you get ticket, and then what will you do to the ticket? The tendency is what? Okay, go, give ticket to the person, and then see you. If ganun natin gagawin, do you think it will be effective?
No.
There is a story that just recently lang nangyari, And it's just about having a heart. Okay? Having a heart. And Jackie said to us, the ticket, you know how powerful ticket is, how powerful we can influence one person with a ticket. You say, why? Because this ticket is very important. This ticket can change one whole life of a person. Am I right?
True.
Yes. And most of the ticket most of the team elites that are successful right now was changed by a ticket. Am I right? Yes. So, what if we put in more value sa ticket? Let's say, for example, you want to invite a person. You want to invite a client. I want to invite your friend in LTS. How would you do it? Maybe, is it okay I show you something?
Sure.
You see this? Okay, let's say for example, you put here, you write, you are cordially invited to our leadership training seminar, Mr. John Jaime Sierra, RSVP, VIP seat 1, RSVP nakalagay doon. Then when you open, like this, pag ikaw binigyan, I know you're so special to me, This one, I have to fight. I have to fight to get one ticket. Because why? This seat that I will be giving to you is a very special seat. I have to fight with a lot of people just for you to have this seat. And I know, all the effort that I will give is, I tell you, I want to give it to you here. Then when the client or your friend was receiving this, then you show like this. Oh. Wow.
Ticket.
What will your friend feel? Special? Why, if I give this to my friend, baka sabihin, Nathan, ikakasal ka na? Right? It's a very simple thing only. This is just a cut folder. Right? Then you give it to your client. how would your client feel? Do you think, sabihin niya, Nathan, thank you because I know you give this to me, you fight for this, but can I still bring some people? Oh, really? But this is only one eh. I try my best. I try my best. Pero at the end of the day, dun sa kabilang pocket mo, sobrang dami mo pa rin ticket. Right? Then you say like this. I have to call first, I have to call first. Because I saved this for you eh. This one, I put in my effort to give it to you. But never mind, since you are my friend, uwi ka muna, CR ka muna. Siguro punta, kung nandito sa Starbucks, punta ka muna na sa hypermarket, tapos balikan lang, lakad ka lang. Pagbalik mo ganun, good thing, yung leader ko, I asked her, I pleaded, then somehow she told me, because we are very close, she took out 3 tickets from the other group. Now, 3 people will not be coming to LTS because wala na silang ticket. I give it to you. What will your leader or your client, your friend will feel? Special, right? Just buy this ticket, right? Just buy this ticket. Then, we have more reason for these people to come. Why? Because maybe, of course, the people that are sitting in here now, wearing coat and tie, the reason you're here is because somehow these events change our life, right? So, maybe this ticket or maybe this gesture we do can give or can change also our friend's life forever. Am I right? So, I hope to see you this coming May 2, our leadership training seminar. Why? Because these people are now, as we speak, getting ready to sell, to give, to share the company. And ang makikinabang is who? Who will be the one benefiting from it? Us. Am I right? So, I hope to see you this coming May 2. And I really hope that we can maximize this event. Because I tell you,